I'm Anusha. I make videos related to beauty and lifestyle. If this is something that interests you, please take a moment to click that subscribe button. Also hit the bell icon so that you will get notified whenever I upload. Without further ado, let's get started with today's video. Today I am sharing my skincare and hair care haul with you all. I shopped some of the products from Nykaa and some products from Amazon as well. So I am going to be sharing all those products with you. I am also going to be giving mini reviews of some of the products that I have already started using. So to know all these details, please stay tuned till the end. First on the list we have this shampoo and conditioner from this brand Love Beauty and Planet. It is their coconut water and mimosa flower shampoo and conditioner. I got shampoo and conditioner from the same range. Actually I am running out of my current shampoo, so I want to try some new hair care product, and this combo is at 30% off, so I got these products. Today I used them. It felt nice, both the shampoo and conditioner. The shampoo has very nice fragrance. It felt almost like a coconut pastry. Yeah, it felt like that. The fragrance felt like that. After few more uses, I'll give my final review about these products. Then in the hair care, I got this L'Oreal Paris Smooth Intense Smoothening Serum. Actually, now I like this Biolos Serum, but I want to try some more hair care products, so I got this product. I have not started using it yet. It is a silicone based hair serum, so let us see. Next, I got this Ultra Defense Sun Fluid from Earth Rhythm. It is a hybrid sunscreen. It has an SPF rating of 50 and a PA rating of PF 4+. So it has both high UVA and UVB protection also. It comes in this glass bottle with a pump packaging on the top. The texture is good. It feels lightweight on the skin. I'll share my review soon about this product. Coming to the other sunscreens, I have got this Bioderma sunscreen. This is a chemical sunscreen. I thought of trying more sunscreen options this time, so this is their Photoderm Max SPF 50+ sunscreen. This has also got a very good texture. I used this sunscreen once and it got absorbed very well into the skin, so I'll be sharing my review very soon about this product as well. Actually, I use this Neem and BHA serum from Dr. Sheth. I like that product very much. So this time when I saw Dr. Sheth at 30% off on Nykaa, I decided I'll give some more products a try from Dr. Sheth. So this time I got 3 products from them. One is this licorice and lactic acid peel, and the other one is niacinamide and green tea calming toner, and the third one is gulab and glycolic toner. I have so many whiteheads, especially around my nose and on my chin area. When some product didn't suit my skin, my whiteheads become more congested, so I thought I need some good AHS in my skincare routine. First, coming to licorice and lactic acid peel, it has 8.8% lactic acid and 2% niacinamide, and it has calming ingredients like licorice extract and calendula extract. I like the ingredients very much. It is also free of fragrance and essential oils and all that stuff. You can use this product as a peel, means you can apply it all over the face and then you can leave it on for 10 to 15 minutes and you can wash it off, or else you can apply this product as an overnight treatment. You can keep this you can apply this product as a thin layer, as how you would apply your gel moisturizer, but you have to take little quantity and you have to apply it on your skin, and you can leave this product till morning. I am thinking to do in that way because it has got 8.8% lactic acid, which is mild, so I am thinking to use it as overnight treatment. I'll try this product and I'll let you know my thoughts on it. And the next we have niacinamide and green tea calming toner. I have used this product actually. It feels hydrating and calming on the skin. It does not feel sticky or heavy, or it did not leave any residue on the skin. It has got 5% niacinamide, 0.3% allantoin, and it has calming ingredients like green tea extract and calendula extract. It comes with a spray pump on the top. So I like this toner. As of now, I have used it once or twice, and I felt it is easy to use and it provides good hydration on this. Next, we got this gulab and glycolic acid toner. I have not tried this product yet. This product looks like this. It has 5% glycolic acid. It has rose extract, green tea extract, and calendula extract. So the ingredients looks great. Actually, I like glycolic acid. Glycolic acid works well for my skin. I have high hopes for this product, and the lactic acid peel also. Let us see how my experience goes with these Dr. Sheth products. Next, I got these cotton pads because since I got Gulab and Glycolic toner, it comes in a spray pump, but I don't want to use it in a spray pump because I don't want glycolic acid to get into my eyes. So I got these pads to use with that product, and this can be used with micellar water also to remove your lipstick, mascara and all that stuff. So I got these things. These cotton pads retails for 149 rupees for 100 pad. Then I got these 2 lip balms. One is from Nivea and one is from Himalaya. Currently I am using the Earth Rhythm one, but I thought this time I get more affordable options, so I am going to try these 2 lip balms. And I want to use something in stick format because it is very easy to carry to your work, or if you are traveling, these are very convenient. So, and in my college days I mostly used to use the Maybelline ones and Nivea one. This Himalaya one I got at 15% off, so I paid around 120 rupees for this, and this one I got at 20% off, so I paid around 110 rupees for this. Next, from Bioderma I got this Cica cream. Actually I want to try this product from a long time, but this product is mostly out of stock. But when I saw this on Nykaa, I thought I'll get this one for myself, and I have used it twice. When my skin is irritated on my chin and here I got irritated whitehead, so I applied this cream and as a spot treatment. So by morning it reduces the irritation up to, I think, about 70%. It has reduced the redness. So I am thinking to continue using this as spot treatment rather than using it as a whole face moisturizer, because I felt it is somewhat thick for my skin. I'll use it for some more days, and I'll give you a full detailed review with the explanation of ingredients and everything on this product. But as of now, I like this product very much as a spot treatment. The ingredients are great, the performance is great. I think this is a very good buy. Since I got 2 products from Bioderma, they gave me this Bioderma Sensibio H2O 20 ml bottle as free. It is a very famous product. I'll try this one, and if I like it, I'll get a full size of this product. Next, I got this simple refreshing facial wash. This is a very gentle facial cleanser. It is free of harsh chemicals. It has mild surfactants, it is fragrance free, and it performs well. So I emptied my old one, so I got this new one. I got it at 25% off, and if you buy 2 of these face washes, you will get 30% off. Then I got this Plum rice water and niacinamide 10% serum. Actually I have emptied my old one, so I got a new. I think Plum is at 10% off or something like that. I like this serum very much. I have made a detailed review about this serum also. It has very good ingredients like niacinamide, rice extract, squalene, and rice ferment filtrate, butylene glycol, rose flower water, and many other good soothing, hydrating kind of ingredients. It is very good serum. I like it very much. Next, I got this 1.5% hyaluronic acid serum from L'Oreal. I like the ingredients. The ingredients are good. Mostly it has water, glycerin and hyaluronic acid. It is available in 15 ml and 30 ml packaging also. I think I got the 15 ml one. Yeah, I got the 15 ml one. Sometimes I am feeling that my skin is getting dehydrated, so I thought I'll try some hyaluronic acid serum. I tried one from Deconstruct, but that does not go very well with my skin, so I thought I'll give this L'Oreal one a try. Let's see how things will work out. 2 of my hair care products I did not receive yet. Blossom Banana Hair Mask. I'll insert a picture here. I think that is running at 20% off, so I got that one. And the Tribe Concepts 90-day Miracle Hair Oil. Currently I'm using the Vilva one. I am about to finish that product. I like the Juicy Chemistry Chili Hair Oil also, but that one is very expensive. So I thought I'll give the Tribe Concepts one a try. The ingredients are good. It has like dried hibiscus and dried bringgrass, curry leaves, amla, and many good ingredients. They have taken sesame oil as base, and they have infused all these herbs. So I really want to give that a try. And I have ordered the Minimalist sunscreen also. That also didn't got delivered yet. If they got delivered by the time I upload this video, I'll insert the clips somewhere here. Yeah, I got the SPF 61 from Be Minimalist. Before the sale itself, I have ordered these 2 products. One is the Plum Vitamin C Serum, and the other one is Overdermis Alphabet B serum. This is a niacinamide serum. This is 5% niacinamide, and this is vitamin C serum. This is 15% vitamin C from plum. Currently I am using this in morning skincare routine, and this one in evening skincare routine. It has been nearly 2 weeks since I started using this product, and it's been like 7 to 10 days since I started using this. So I'll share my reviews of both the products very soon. Then from Macron I got some products. Cosrx Pimple Master Patches. I told you right, I am getting inflamed whiteheads and they are turning into pimples. So I got the pimple patches to kind of control those pimples. And I got this oil free ultra moisturizing lotion from Cosrx. Actually I thought of getting the full size, but I thought first I'll give the sample size a try. If I like it, then I thought I'll give the full size a try. I like it very much. The texture is so good. It gets absorbed very well into the skin. So I think I'll get the full size one of this. I can't find it here, but I got a mini size toner from Keep Cool. That one I am currently using it. It feels hydrating, it feels good. These are the things I got from Macron, and they gave me like many free samples along with those orders. It is some clean and fresh charcoal mask. Today I'll use that. We have so many rich, moist, soothing serums from Claire's. We have got fundamental nourishing eye butter. We have got gentle black deep cleansing oil. I will try this today. I am thinking to buy one oil cleanser. I am confused between the Purito one and Claire's one. Today I'll try this and I'll decide. Then we have Midnight Blue calming cream, and we have got Supple Preparation toner. I have already emptied 2 sachets of this. It is a very good toner. It does not feel very lightweight as the Etude House one or the Keep Cool one. It has got some body to it. It feels somewhere between toner and an emulsion. It will hydrate your skin and it will calm down your skin. I like this product. Then again one more eye butter, one more midnight calming cream. Actually these samples are really good. You know, you will get more products to try out. So if you like, you can get the full size products. Then we have got this green tangerine vitamin C toner pads. I got 3 of these. Those are all the samples. Yeah, that's it for today's video, guys. I hope you have enjoyed watching this haul. I will try to upload the detailed reviews of these products soon. If you like this video, please don't forget to hit that like button. Also, please do subscribe to my channel. We'll meet you in my next video. Till then, take care. Bye.